Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you which is better, Zendesk or Intercom. We will compare their features, pricing, ease of use, and best use cases. Whether you are a startup looking for a platform or an enterprise in need of robust support tools, we've got you covered. So let's begin. Zendesk is a cloud-based customer service and engagement platform that helps businesses manage their customer support and interactions efficiently. Now, it provides a suite of tools to streamline customer support, sales, and engagement across multiple communication channels, including email, social media, and self-service portals. If you wanted to know about the pricing, there are two sections for this: the Zendesk for Service. If you click that, you would notice that the support team is at $19. You can get up and running fast with streamlined email support. The Suite team automate service with multi-channel support is at $55. The Suite Professional is at $115. And of course, the Suite Enterprise is something that you need to discuss with the sales professionals. And in terms of the Zendesk for Sales, you can start with the Sell team at $19. Sale Growth is at $55 and Sale Professional at $115. Now, for you to gauge and test the waters if Zendesk is going to be the customer service platform tool for you, why not click the free trial and just follow the on-screen instructions. Once you have successfully created your account here in Zendesk, you should be receiving a welcome email from the team, and just click the Start Now button. You would be forwarded to the main dashboard we're in. Now, once you are successfully logged into your account, one of the key features of Zendesk is the ticketing system. It centralizes the customers' queries right here from various channels into a single system, allowing agents to manage and respond to tickets efficiently. You have the tickets right here. You have the channel, recommended, and status. All right, you can see that there's going to be like an open, status, in progress, pending, and for the channel you can create one. Is it from the web, comes from email, messaging, and talk? You would notice that here you have the support, guide, gather, chat, talk, explore, sale, and workforce management, and of course they have the quality assurance, and of course the AI agents. If you click the admin center, you would be forwarded here. These are going to be the help desk tools. It offers automations, workflows, and collaboration tools to resolve issues faster. All right, you can set up guides. You have an option for the providing insights to customer support performances. You have the workspaces, agent tools right here. All right. Now, it provides a flow so that there's going to be someone can handle the repetitive task and provide quick responses. You have the layouts right here, agent interface, and of course, if you wanted to add more people in your team, for example, you're working with multiple freelancers, or maybe you're a client, you might want to add them here. So it's going to be a seamless collaboration within the tools and softwares. You have an access to the CRMs. If you click the apps right here, all right. So let me click the apps right here, because these are going to be the third-party integration tools that could help you handle repetitive tasks and provide quick responses. All right, you see that if you go to the Zendesk marketplace, you would be forwarded here. There's a lot of apps that can increase your productivity and streamline your workflows, as you can see, from Gecko Board to Trello to Notion, Azure, and a lot more. All right, so if we go over to our next contender, which is Intercom AI, is a suite of artificial intelligence powered features, a customer service, and an engagement platform. All right, if you wanted to check the pricing for this platform, you would be surprised that they offer a free trial for 14 days, no credit card required. But the essential comes at $29 per seat, and you have all these options for you. The advance is $85, and if you wanted to get a demo, you might want to book a schedule for that, as well as the expert plan, which comes at $135. Now, if you click the start free trial option at the upper right corner, you would notice that you can continue using your Google account, or you can simply continue with your work email address or even your personal address. Once you have successfully created your account here in Intercom, you will receive a welcome email. And from here, all you have to do is click this button that says Get Started, and you would be forwarded to the main dashboard. And once you get a hold of the interface, you would notice a very easy feel of the powered AI chatbots. Let me skip that for now. All right. You see, these are going to be the features for Intercom AI. You have the AI automation, which will handle all the repetitive tasks like answering FAQs or routing conversations to the right agent. It learns and improves over time with machine learning. You see, you can add a content, you can add a content suggestions, you can add a certain filter right here. For example, we're going to add a filter suggested by or date. All right. You can also go to the workflows. Now, this workflow is highly customizable so that any businesses can design specific workflows dependent on their knowledge. And of course, now you see you can have a options here: team efficiency, message proactively. For example, I'm going to be using this for now, the message proactively. Use that template and you would be forwarded in this section. Takes a little while, but the platform understands the customer intent in conversation. You can add rule if you want. You can simply click on close if you wanted, enabling more accurate and relevant responses from here on out. All right. The basis, this is going to be the reports, knowledge, and automation tool, the outbound, and of course the contact. If you wanted to add more contacts here, you can simply install Messenger to track data, and you can add more users or leads as you go along. All right, it's one of the benefits of Intercom AI because it handles large volumes of queries without requiring additional human resources. So we have been using Intercom for quite some time, and let me tell you that you might want to consider Intercom if you prioritize customer engagement and real-time interactions. If you need tools for proactive messaging and life cycle marketing, or if you are part of a company looking to engage users proactively and boost customer retention. Now, on the other hand, you might want to use or choose Zendesk if you're looking for a better traditional service teams and enterprises with complex support needs. All right. Or if your business focuses on resolving support tickets efficiently and also needing advanced workflows, scalability, and integration options. But both Zendesk and Intercom are powerful customer service and engagement platforms. Again, they cater to slightly different needs depending on your target, goals, and budget. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.